Just wanna be with you.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Anwar's Mobile Detailing. We're located in Los Angeles, California. In today's video, I'm going to be conducting a deep cleaning in the trunk of a BMW X5, including shampoo, scrub, and extraction. I begin the process with my air compressor. Blowing out the carpet helps loosen up stuck-on dirt and debris located in the fibers of the carpet. If you like videos like this, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. After blowing out the trunk, it's time to vacuum. This process should be fairly easy at this point. Apply your favorite carpet shampoo or all-purpose cleaner. Scrub and agitate the carpet. Now it's time to extract. Today, I'm using a MyT heated extractor. Remember to conduct a final wipe down with a clean microfiber towel. Until next time, peace.
Just wanna